going to show you how you can make drop-down menus in Shopify. So firstly, open up your Shopify store. Then go to your online store and then click on navigation. Then over here in the menu section, just simply click on add menu. So after that, just click on the menu that you want to change. For example, over here. Then after that, just simply click on add menu item. Add a new product. Let's say, for example, toys. And then after writing the name, just simply press on add down here. Then choose where the product will be listed. For me, it will be products. Then after that, just simply click on all products and then press add. Now just simply hold the 6 dot icon over here and drag it and take it under products. So after writing the name, just simply press save menu over here and just simply view your online store. Now you will be seeing that the menu that you added is not a drop down but an entirely separate menu. So now what you have to do is just simply go back to the menu page, then drag the toys under the product, which will make a drop down over here just like that. And after that, just simply save menu, then go back and just simply refresh the page, and you will see that the toys icon has disappeared and now a new arrow has appeared in front of products. Just simply click on the drop box and over there you will find toys. So that's how you can create a drop down box in Shopify. Now if you want to make a second drop down menu, let me show you how you can do that also. So in order to do that, just simply click on add menu over here. And let's say, for example, boys toys. And girls toys. So as you can see, I just created 2 more drop menus. Now to add into the second layer of Dropbox, just simply drag the name and drag it forward just like that. Do that for the both of them. So as you can see now, the toys has a drop down of its own. Now, in order to see this, just simply click on save menu over here. Then go to your store. Then just simply refresh the page. So now just simply go back to the store and just simply refresh the page. And now if you click on products, you will find that toys now also has a drop down box. Just simply click on that. And over there you will find both of the options, boys toys and girls toys. So that's how you can make drop down boxes in Shopify. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel.